What's up, guys? We have a sold items for today. This is the Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons of Liberty 5-set action figure. So I sold this as a set. So it comes with Raiden, Solid the Snake, Olga, Revolver Ocelot, and Fortune. So yeah. Back then, I think we already sold Solid Snake, just one item, so I just end up with 5 of this, but I have the complete set. The carded is a little bit yellowish now. Look at that, that's cool. That's Raiden. Comes with her katana, and that's part of the Metal Gear Ray over here. And he has a AR over there. This is Solid the Snake. I think this one is hard to find back then, so it comes with 2 samurai katana and part of the Metal Gear Ray as well, and he has a small pistol there as well. So this one is neat. This one is Olga. There you go. There's a pistol. Not sure what that is. The small thing over there. So comes with a small knife. Part of the Metal Gear Ray. Let's go here for Revolver Ocelot. That's his signature revolvers. So neat. Of course, comes with the Metal Gear Ray as well, part of it. And Olga, no, Fortune, I mean, I'm sorry. Comes with that big rifle over there, and a small pistol, and her shades. And of course comes with the Metal Gear Ray piece of the Metal Gear. So once you complete the whole set, you can build the big Metal Gear Ray. Still remember, I bought this back then at KB Toys. I was very fortunate to collect them all. And there you go. Got sold for today. And hopefully we can pack it later and ship it by tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.